Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Michou here. So today I wanted to do the giveaway winner announcement. The person already has been contacted, so she knows or he knows. But first off, I just wanted to thank all of you who participated in the giveaway. It's been a long while, but we finally reached the 1,000 subscribers. So that is why the giveaway ended and I chose a winner. Now, you guys, a lot of you participated, but a lot of you did not follow the rules. Like the first person that was chosen randomly through random.org, she didn't reply to me, so I had to choose another one. And every single person that was chosen after her did not follow the rules. You guys, like, the rules are like simple, like there's like 3 or 4 rules, but anyways, yeah, every single person didn't follow the rules. So at the end, I think the 5th or the 6th person that was chosen followed the rules, all of them, and then she did reply to my message. And so the giveaway winner is, I'll just put her name right here. And yeah, congratulations to you. Thank you so much for participating. And for the rest of you, of course, I will still have a lot of giveaways in the future. And please follow the rules. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much for today's video. It's just a simple, quick announcement. Thank you so much again, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.